In a faraway land, locally known as Kiminochi, there are two young ladies who only survives by themselves through the years. They are named after their place. Kimi means Old English, meaning is the wood of cynomere, and in modern English, it means diamond. Chichi means showily or affectedly elegant or trendy. One day, they didn't know what to eat because they almost ran out of money. They both agreed to search and buy for affordable vegetables they can cook.
Hey, Gigi, what should we eat?
I don't know because we don't have money.
Gosh, I'm so hungry.
Fine, let's try to find affordable vegetables, okay?
Okay.
They went outside their house and suddenly,
Hey, Gigi,
Yes?
I found this inside our I think you'll leave it. It's yours now.
Wow, yay! We're actually on our way to the supermarket to buy vegetables eh.
You're really a blessing in disguise. Oh! Wait!
Kamsahamnida!
they ran to their little home and they hurriedly mixed all the ingredients they got. Cabbage, radish, red bell pepper, garlic, and ginger, and also some spices. They hurriedly mixed all the vegetables they got. Cabbage, radish, red pepper flakes, garlic, ginger, and some spices. They ate almost half of the mixture. And suddenly, Chichi realized that they need to save for the following days. So, they decided to put the mixture into a container so that they can save it for the other day. The fifth day comes, the mixture takes its fermentation process.
Oh no!
Kimi, wait! What are you doing?
I think we cannot eat this anymore.
Let me taste it first. It tastes good. Try it, Kimi.
Yes. Oh yes, Gigi, you're right. It's delicious.
See? So what should we call our invention?
Kimichi!
안녕하세요. 감사합니다. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.